Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you how an experienced user can use the Easy-Stow PIR with powered rotation to lift a power wheelchair or other mobility device into the rear of a minivan, in this particular case, a Honda Odyssey. So the powered rotation option is for people that need just a little bit more help getting into the vehicle, lifting the wheelchair. It just provides a little bit of extra guidance that's going to make it easier, and that you don't have to, rotate a real heavy wheelchair, especially if you're on a sloped surface. It makes life just a little bit easier. So once we get to the point where we're up over the sill plate and the floor level, we're going to rotate in. Guide the wheelchair right in. Now, we've got some tie downs here. Again, these are just to stabilize the wheelchair, and they are not intended as a substitute for a regular wheelchair tie down. They're only there just to kind of help you keep the wheelchair from rolling around while it's in motion. Please do not mistake them for a regular wheelchair tie down or anything that is made to have an occupant or secure the wheelchair in a normal way. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn a little bit more about Access Unlimited and lots of other aspects of this product, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Please also note that in the notes field of this video, there are going to be lots more exciting videos showing you the installation in the vehicle, how it's installed, how the products are removed, how you have the normal seat operation for the unit, and how we don't do any damage to the vehicle in the course of the installation. If you're on Instagram, please follow us on Instagram at Access Unlimited. That's just one word. Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel is at youtube.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at accessun. You can also go to our website at www.accessunlimited.com and check out what we've got there, primarily for contacting us. And of course, we'd love to hear from you the old-fashioned way, 8 to 5 Eastern Standard Time in the United States at 1-607-669-4822. That's in the United States, 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, but evenings and weekends are no problem also at 1-615-873-0518 from very early until very late. We're happy to talk with you. Thank you so much for reaching out to us. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and happy mobility.